Murder-accused Oscar Pistorius was welcomed by a dedicated supporter waiting to give him a Bible and an envelope as he entered the High Court in Pretoria today. State Advocate Gia Nicolaides continued his cross-examination of the defence's third witness, Roger Dixon, after attacking his credibility yesterday. Nell started by questioning the amount of times Dixon actually visited the crime scene in the last year and what tests were done. They discussed Reeva Steenkamp's wounds and the placement of bullets, specifically focusing on her head wound.
My lady, it would be very nice if I was a ballistic expert, and as an expert I can tell you what exactly happened. My reconstruction of the movements of the scene, I do know that when a bullet hits a target, there's material that goes forward and there's material that goes backwards. That material that comes out of isn't it one line, it spreads.
The positioning of the magazine rack in the toilet cubicle came into focus once again, with Dixon seeming to contradict Pistorius' version of events.
Remember, I asked you if you're saying that the accused version is incorrect, and you've now shown us that indeed, even if you refer to 186, the accused was wrong in his version that the magazine rack was not there.
My lady, when the deceased fell, the magazine rack was there. I do not know what happened to it afterwards. If it wasn't there when Mr. Pistorius went in, that is his version of the events. From what I interpret from this magazine rack, was in that position.
Moving back to the tests done at the house, Nell questioned the photos Dixon provided of the views the Stips would have had from their house. Dixon's credibility was again called into question as it emerged that Pistorius would have been about 20 centimeters taller on his stumps than the model used in the photo.
Why would you not make sure, as an expert, that the court gets the real measurements? Why would you give the court this photograph?
The photos were also taken from a ground-level view, while the Stips had an elevated view from their balcony. Nell then asked about Dixon's examination of Pistorius' prosthetic leg, and it emerged Dixon had never actually seen the prosthetic leg before he came to court.
It would appear so, my lady.
Why would you say it would appear
it's
so?
covered with a sock. I've only seen photographs that are underneath without the sock.
You've never seen the prosthesis like you're seeing them now, only photographs of it?
Yes, my lady. The first time I've seen the prosthesis was when I came into court.
After a very brief re-examination by Defence Advocate Barry Rue, court was adjourned and will resume on the 5th of May. Gia Nicolaides, Eyewitness News, Oscar Pistorius trial.